welcome to the channel. Today we are discussing one of the Android trending topic, composable. How Jetpack Compose will work in Android, that we are going to explore it today. So let's start with a simple project, how we can create that, and then later on we can move inside how basically it works. So let me showcase you how we can create a composable project basically. So if we go here and in Android, if we want to create new project, let's create new project, go inside there. Here we will be able to see the empty compose activity that we can consider. Once we can select and we can go and further, and once we finish creating the project, we will be seeing this kind of project which I'm showing you right now here. So here if we see that main activity.kt, it has been laid out with some different looking set of code. If we say that in simplified manner, it's set content basically. Earlier we used to see the set content. There was XML we used to add whichever the XML we want to add in main activity, or whichever the activity we were working on. So here we are seeing the inside set content. There is one function is there, and inside the function so this function is basically nothing like, here we can see what are the application theme and other stuff. So we'll discuss that one further. Let's see that apart from that what it is there. So if we see here, there is one function is a greeting is there is nothing like text which is having hello and name we are string we are passing Android. And similarly there is a preview option is there, and one more thing is composable. If suppose some function we want to use as a composable, we have to start with that @composable, and that will be used as a composable function. Here we see the default preview. So if we want to see the what is the default preview is basically, if we want to see whatever changes we have made, that we want to basically preview. Instead of running the whole project and building the project, we can directly use this method, and we can see the changes here. So so here you can see that we are passing here the name Android and hello. So similarly if we see here hello Android, it is there. Suppose anything like if you want to, if we make changes here like hello demo, and so if so this will be called. But if we want to see in the preview, we have to make the same changes here. And now if we refresh that hello demo, you will be able to see. It's very simple. We don't need to create we don't need to build the project. It's just simply we can do the using preview. Yeah, so this is a simple how we can use composable. We'll see you in further we'll see you in next topic, the next video. Thanks.